I love that. You know, I got from our house. I'm going to change out the rug and see if that makes a difference. It's a little bit too dark for me in the front of the house, and I think having the dark sofa, the dark rug, and the kind of darker curtains is giving too dark, and I need for it a little bit bright, especially now like in the summer, springtime. So let's change it out. May switch out the coffee table with the black glass one. It's coming across flat to me. So this is after JB and Keisha remove all the stuff out of the space. So you see how much brighter it is? That's how I want to keep it. So I'm just gonna roll this out. Lonely days are all fill my head all the time. Oh baby, but all I do is think about the way you make me feel. So nice. I love it. Listen, I love moody space. I do, I really do. But I think at the end of the day, I like moody stuff. I don't know. I think I really like light and bright and airy. I think that's my vibe. Baby, you wanna play a difference? You make it look brighter. And it's a bigger rug.
Make the room look bigger.
Here comes JB. I felt like before it was too dark. I got it a bit bigger. See? He likes it.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, thank you.
This is from Roscoe Davis.
Yeah, that's my son. Thank you.
Oh, right.
Aww. Guys, look. Aww.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
So sweet. Yeah. So today's Mother's Day, and our oldest son sent me this arrangement. Man, I miss my son. I really do. Aww. Oh. He sent me that, and I think he sent me some kind of fruit and a beautiful card. Oh, okay, I'll be right back. Hold on. This just goes to show and to prove the point that you have to be very mindful of the size of your rug, the color, because that has a lot to do with how the space looks and feel. And before, again, I didn't like it, but it was just, it wasn't me, you know? So I talked to JB about it, and he was like, okay. So here we are. All right, guys, I'll be back. I'm going to call my son and say thank you. So see, this is it right here. It's definitely true cream, but it has like some little bit of texture to it. And then let's see how it looks when I take do these the right way. How if it's still dark. See, that's not bad. That's manageable. That is manageable. So let me get it straightened out. And then another thing I was going to do was bring back the black table or put this back, but I'm gonna put it in so we can like best, and then we can go from there. camouflage the length because the sofa is shorter than the chairs, right? So I'm using this pedestal that we got from the thrift store. And I fold the height a little bit to give it more length on this side. And I'm gonna put either back that crystal on it or that stone right here, focus, or I might do like some flowers. Let me show you. Realistically, it wouldn't work because we're always going up and down the steps. So I'll do something more low profile. I would do something low profile like this with some color so you can kind of put it in together or put that. See, I think I have to change the drapery because it got a little bit darker in here. It's not as dark as what it was before. Y'all remember at first I wanted to get 4 of these chairs? I'm kind of happy I didn't because I don't know, I probably wouldn't have liked it because it was way too dark. Yeah, I need to get the lighter, definitely for sure. So I got some new pillars. Let me get it. I got them from our house. I'll play with it. I'm gonna start this table. All right guys, so what I did, move the flowers from there to here. I like that. And I still have those up because I'm gonna swing my IKEA tomorrow and get those sheer panels, put them up there. But I like that look when you walk in. I have a table. I'm gonna move it right here and see how it looks. I don't have like a pedestal here. That needs to go for sure. And then we're gonna put something here. And we're gonna move this further back and get it straightened up. So let me show you the table I'm thinking about. This is the table I'm going to switch it out with. So let's see how that looks. The rug is still kind of lumpy because it was folded up for a few days. So it's going to take time for it to go flat. This is what I'm thinking right here. It might be nice to have like an open book up here. Let me get one of my book stands and see what it looks like. Guys, I bought these acrylic book display from Pottery maybe years ago. I bought 2. So I'm gonna see how this looks here. Let's see on the side. And I'll open the Kelly Wearstler Synchronicity book. Let's find a picture that goes with my bag. This one might be too big right here. See, it's doing that. Maybe too big. I have this one. This one is called Flowers Design. Let's see if we can find something. This, I don't think it's done. Hold on, I don't think this thing is done properly. I don't think it's. Okay, there we go. Now it's balanced. Maybe that's why the other book didn't stand there. So let's try it back. Oh, yep. That was the reason why. Let's find a cool page. Oh, this is pretty. Let's find something different. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one right here. Okay, so it's getting a bit dark. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got from our house. Hold on. For right now, I'm not gonna put any pillars in the chairs, but I wanna put pillars in the sofa. So let me show you quickly. I got these. I love them. I love the little piping right here at the end. It came with an insert. I didn't want any more square pillars. I feel like I have enough of that. And this was $99 with the insert. When you go to the high-end stores, like your House or your RH, or even like your West End and stuff, I'm seeing that a lumbar pillow, just simply put back. And I like the look. I got this one too, and this one was $50. Let's see. Very simple. That's why I think I have to change the artwork. I think those yellow things right here is throwing me off. These are throwing me off. Too bright. too yellow. Okay, let me see what I can put. Let me get some books and see. Hold on, wait. No, it needs something else. So I have this wooden, this reclaimed wood bowl I got from our house last year. It was $49. It still has a price on it, and I'm gonna just lean up against the shelf. Maybe like that.
Oh, that you are loved, even if you don't.
It looks more bright. And see? And I like this still being simple, not a lot. I like it. It feels like very airy. If I should put something under right here just to maybe have the plug. And she was like, no, because that's just a part of it. And I think I like the idea of leaving it open. Leave the lights on. That's not bad. All right, so I'm going to go down this way, and we're going to use the rug, this dark rug that was in the other room. We're going to put it right down here by the dining area. Okay, so this is what the rug looks like right here. And I'm torn because I think it might be too big for right here. Because ideally I would like for it to fit in between the two columns. But I don't know. See? I mean, it doesn't look bad. I just think it's too big. It's too wide, long. From this end, it's not bad. Just, I don't think it's gonna work. I think I need something smaller here. And if I have this here, then I have to get rid of those and get something more muted to go with these. So I'm saying to go with this flow and that flow. Kitchen is messy. My son is cooking. Say hi, Kishan.
What's up?
What are you making, babe?
About to make some shrimp fried rice. And what you got in?
What's that? Sea bass?
Tell me why you're crying, I'm getting big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel. But